Copy trading. How I made $1,000 per month passive income. BingX copy trade tutorial. Copy trade is an investment platform that allows you to copy the trades of successful investors. This means that you can trade without having to do any research or analysis yourself. All you need to do is choose the traders you want to copy, and copy trade will do the rest. There are many advantages to using BingX or copy trade. For one, it's a basic platform to use. You don't need any experience or knowledge of the financial markets to be successful. All you need to do is follow the instructions and you can start earning money from day one. Another advantage of copy trade is that it's a very safe way to invest. Your money is not invested directly in the market, but instead is held in a secure account with copy trade. This means that even if the markets crash, your money will be safe. Finally, copy trade is a great way to grow your wealth. By following the trades of successful investors, you can make a lot of money over time. This can help you achieve your financial goals and build your wealth over time. If you're looking for a way to grow your wealth through smart investment, then you should consider using BingX Copy Trade service. Copy Trade is a service that allows you to invest in the trading activities of others on the platform. By investing in the trading activities of others, you can take advantage of their knowledge and experience to help grow your own wealth. BingX is a trusted platform that has been around for years and is well known in the industry. They have a strong track record of helping users grow their wealth through smart investment. If you're looking for a way to grow your wealth, then copy trade is definitely worth considering. Copy trade is a great way to increase your wealth without having to become an expert in the stock market. With copy trade, you can use BingX automated system to copy the trades of more experienced investors with proven track record of success. This means that you can benefit from their expertise and knowledge while still maintaining control over your finances. BingX copy trading system is designed to make it easy for anyone to get started. You can easily set up your account and select which traders you want to follow, and then BingX will automatically execute the trades for you. This means that you don't have to spend hours researching stocks and try to figure out when the best time to buy or sell is. You also don't have to worry about missing any potential opportunities because BingX will be monitoring the market 24/7. So you know that all the trades will be executed in real time. Plus, you can adjust the settings so that it only executes trades when certain criteria are met. This allows you to customize your investments and maximize your return. Finally, with BingX copy trading system, you can start small with as little as $100 and see how it works before investing larger amounts of money. This makes it a great option for novice investors who want to start building their wealth gradually but still benefit from the expertise of experienced traders. Overall, copy trading with BingX is an excellent way for investors at all levels of experience to grow their wealth without having to dedicate a lot of time and effort into researching stocks and understanding the market. So if you're looking for a smart way to invest your money, give copy trading with BingX a try today. Many people believe that the only way to grow your wealth is through traditional investment methods such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. However, there's another way to invest that can be just as effective: copy trade. Copy trade is a type of investment where you copy the trades of successful investors. This means that you can make more money even if you don't have any experience in investing yourself. What is BingX? BingX is an online investment platform that allows you to copy trade the world's top investors. With BingX, you can get started with as little as $100 and grow your wealth through smart investing. Why should you use BingX? There are many reasons to use BingX, but here is just a few. You can learn from the world's top investors and mirror their success. You can start with as little as $100 and grow your wealth over time. BingX is a secure and reliable platform with 24/7 customer support. If you're looking for a way to grow your wealth through smart investing, then BigX is a perfect platform for you. Sign up today and start copying the world's top investors. BingX is a copy trade software that allows you to mirror the trades of successful traders. It is a tool that can be used by both experienced and inexperienced investors to grow their wealth through smart investments. BingX offers an intuitive user interface, low fees, and a range of features that make it simple to monitor and manage your investments. The platform allows users to choose from a wide variety of asset classes, including stocks, indices, forex, commodities, and more. With BingX copy trading feature, you can follow the moves of experienced traders without having to spend time learning the ins and outs of the market. This way, you can benefit from their expertise without having to put in too much effort on your part. Crypto exchange listing. You can also use BingX to diversify your portfolio by investing in different asset classes. This way, you can spread out risk while still aiming for maximum returns on your investments. Moreover, BingX has built-in risk management tools so you can stay controlling your investments all the time. Overall, BingX is an excellent choice for those who want to grow their wealth through smart investment decisions. The platform provides a convenient way to access professional trader strategies while keeping costs low and making it easy to manage your investments. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, BingX gives you all the tools and resources you need to reach your financial goals. BingX is a new investment tool that is growing in popularity among savvy investors. With BingX, you can copy trade the decisions of other successful investors, which can help you grow your wealth and improve your chances of making smart investments. This guide will explain what BingX is and how it can help you grow your wealth. How to use BingX to grow your wealth through smart investments. If you're looking to grow your wealth through smart investments, then you should definitely check out BingX. BingX is a great platform that allows you to copy trade from some of the most successful investors in the world. So how does it work? Well, first, you need to create an account and deposit some money. Once you've done that, you can start following the other investors and copying their trade. It's really that simple. What's great about BingX is that it's a very user-friendly platform. Even if you're not an experienced investor, you'll be able to quickly get started and start seeing results. So if you're looking to grow your wealth through smart investments, be sure to check out BingX. If you're looking for a way to grow your wealth, check out BingX. BingX is a great option. With BingX, you can copy trade the top performers on the platform and get access to exclusive investment opportunities. Plus, you can use the platform to track your performance and monitor your portfolio. If you're looking to grow your wealth through smart investment, then BingX can be a great tool for you. With BingX, you can use copy trade to invest in the stocks of companies that are performing well. This way, you can grow your wealth while taking less risks than if you were to invest on your own. Here are some tips for using BingX to grow your wealth through smart investment. Choose a company that you feel confident in. Set a target amount and time frame for your investment. Keep an eye on your investment and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate when you reach your target. Investing in stock markets can be a great way to generate wealth over time. It can also be a daunting task for those new to investing, as there are so many different options and strategies available. Fortunately, BingX offers a simple and efficient solution for those interested in growing their wealth through smart investment, copy trade. This means that even novice investors can benefit from the wisdom of experienced traders by automatically following their investment pattern. Once this is done, the system will start automatically copying the selected traders' trades into your account wherever they make a trade. This automated process means that you don't have to worry about making any decisions yourself. All you need to do is sit back and watch your investments grow over time. What makes copy trading so attractive is that it allows users to access the same information as professional traders without needing any prior knowledge or experience in trading. This means that anyone with an internet connection can begin building their wealth through smart investments quickly and easily with minimal effort required on their part. Furthermore, copy trade allows users to diversify their portfolio by copying multiple traders at once, which reduces risk and increases potential returns eventually. Overall, copy trade on BingX provides an easy and efficient way for novice investors to get started with growing their wealth through smart investment. With its automated features and low cost of entry, copy trade gives users access to professional level investment strategies without requiring any prior knowledge or experience in trading. Perfect for anyone looking for an easy way to get started in the stock market. Benefits of using BingX for copy trade. First, it's basic and user friendly. Second, it's a very efficient way to grow your wealth as you can quickly and easily copy the trades of successful investors. It's a very safe and secure platform. All the investments are made through a regulated broker. Finally, it's a great way to diversify your investment portfolio as you can copy the trades of multiple investors with different investment strategies. Are you looking for a way to grow your wealth? If so, you may want to consider using BingX or CopyTrade. These two can help you make smart investments and get the most out of your money. Here are some of the benefits of using BingX or CopyTrade. You can get started with small amounts of money. You can learn from experts. You can take control of your finances and you can grow your wealth over time. If you're interested in growing your wealth through investment, BingX for copy trade is worth considering. With its many benefits, it's a tool that can help you reach your financial goals. If you're looking for a way to grow your wealth through smart investments, you should definitely consider using BingX for copy trade. So we've come to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't remember to like, share, and subscribe.